Well, we've been talking about behind the scenes some new products, and I've been telling you this morning I've been over during the week into the laboratory behind the scenes to have a chat to my mate who's just about to join us, the microbiologist behind Nutrog and this amazing new product. So on our 43rd birthday, it's a big welcome to somebody who's become part and parcel of this show, the Doc from Nutrog. A very good morning to you, Doc. You've got a new product, exciting. I was there for the launch, and it's very likely one of the most exciting products because you've closed the loop on some wastage that is just shocking, but you've turned it into an absolute win-win. Yui, a very good morning to you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Graham. Well, firstly, congratulations on 43 years. It's been an honour to be able to be part of it over the last, 3.5, 4 years now. So, absolute honour to be able to, be involved in your show and to contribute in my own little way to educating the public about soil microbes.
Thank you, Yui.
Over the last few weeks, I've kind of been building up about composting coffee and the like, and now I really want the listeners to get an idea what it was all about. And I have to admit, when I heard about this concept and what it was all about, and I saw the packaging, I was, and I'm still really pretty excited about the whole thing. It's a new product we've released. It's called Human Beans, and no, it doesn't contain any humans or parts thereof, so people don't have to ask that question. But many people love their coffee. And believe it or not, all those takeaway coffees and the like generate in excess of 64,000 tonnes of coffee grounds in Australia alone. Now, these all go, or mostly go, to landfills. They break down. There they emit methane, very potent greenhouse gas, much worse than CO2. So what Nutrog have done is they've partnered with various companies such as Bunnings as well as Foodbank, and Foodbank collect these coffee grounds from the various partners during their regular collection, and the grounds are then brought to Nutrog to be co-composted with spent chicken litter. And that is done in order to break down caffeine, which we spoke about, because it can inhibit that range of beneficial soil microbes. So after composting, the material is pelletized and turned into not only a great fertilizer, but obviously it also reduces that waste.
65,000 tonnes of coffee grounds are going into landfill. That's appalling. And I can't even think, and we're only, 25,000 people. When you think of some of the bigger countries, gee, what an innovative idea to turn coffee grounds into fertiliser. But I would think there's more to this story than just reducing waste, Yui.
You're correct there. So the story doesn't stop with reducing waste. Human Beings not only comes, so it also comes in a fully compostable bag. So you can put that into your compost or your green bin. So that eliminates the use of plastic, and Nutrog is hoping to transition, quite a range of our other products also into paper bags. So that's another environmental advantage. The other really exciting thing is that Nutrog has decided to give the proceeds of the sale to Human Beings back to Foodbank. So with every bag that's sold, we put between 2 and 3 meals on the table for people in need. So, that way you get an environmental benefit from the reduced waste. Companies who would normally pay to dump the coffee grounds benefit, and above all, Foodbank, who already do such a great job, will benefit by being able to provide extra meals.
As I said, this is really a win-win-win for a lot of people. The environment, the people at Foodbank who are there supporting, and they're collecting the spent coffee beans, and you guys are turning it. What a fantastic initiative to not only reduce waste, but also help Foodbank to put food on tables for people who are really, really in need. Now, the question remains, is Human Beans a good fertiliser, Yui?
Well, I guess that's a very fair question. Let me start by saying it's 100% organic, and the nutrient analysis of the product makes it ideal for most plants. We know that coffee does contain quite a few nutrients. Also, it contains all the micronutrients as well as the major nutrients, so it's really balanced. And that's because a lot of those micronutrients come from that chicken manure that we add. So I would say it compares very favourably with most organic fertilisers out there, even with our own products such as Rooster Booster. So on top of this, Human Beings is also sprayed with Populate. So that enhances the biological activity, and we've spoken about the benefit of that product for a while now. So I should point out that human beings will be exclusively stocked by Bunnings, so if you don't see it anywhere else, go into your Bunnings store and ask them and demand from them that they get it in, because, like I said, it benefits not only your soil and your garden, but also people in need.
It's just an incredible combination of benefits. I was very impressed meeting the executives from Food Bank. They were excited. I was incredibly impressed. The integrity of this incredible company, Nutrog, bringing all this together. Your science and the science of bringing these products together for home gardeners is just so exciting. I must say, this has got to be one of the most ingenious ways to turn a waste product, such as spent coffee grounds, into something that's really, really useful, such as a high-quality organic fertiliser in a compostable bag. On top of that, certainly environmentally friendly and a socially responsible product. So, listeners, look out for human beans exclusively in your local Bunnings store. Yui, it's a big congratulations to Nutrog once again. Thank you for the science that's gone into it, and us home gardeners are benefiting. It's just brilliant, and so will the people that, of course, that Food Bank are supporting. 10 out of 10, mate. It's brilliant.
Well, thank you very much, Graham, and thank you very, very much also for coming to our launch and helping make it a very successful event. And, yes, I wish you another 43 years if you want to hang around that long doing radio.
Mate, I'll keep taking the tablets and drinking the coffee. Thank you, buddy.
No worries. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Cheers. Bye-bye. Yui Strower, he's the microbiologist behind these products at Nutrog, and it's just the most exciting time to be alive. I've got to tell you, as a gardener since the age of 4 and professionally since the age of 11, I've never seen anything like it. It just gets better and better every day. It's great to be alive.